Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video we are playing Among Us with one of my friend and two of my friends. So one minute, the old friend, Falcon.
Me Falcon, that's me.
So guys, Falcon has finally signed in and I'm still trying to sign in. So until I sign in, my name is Leos. So Falcon, and we have a new friend, Velcity. Hi Velcity.
Velcity, hi.
Hi.
Hi Velcity.
Hi,
Velcity.
Hi,
So
hi,
this is
hi.
the first game you're playing with us.
Yes.
When did you download Among Us though?
3 months ago.
Yeah, but
Oh, wow.
he joined our Discord server newly.
Yeah, he was. He asked requests, so we thought,
Yeah.
okay, fine, let's just
Yeah.
add him.
And I'll be appearing in more videos soon.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure. So right
Oh,
now,
someone
guys,
joined. Here, saw summer.
Slow summer.
so make sure you subscribe our channel and like all the videos because it takes so time to record, edit, then upload. We are doing hard work, so please make sure you give us support. We are only 8 subscribers right now, but I know our fans are going to help us. Right,
Yes,
friends?
Yes.
And if you
And
know,
guys, soon we'll try to start live streaming and get views.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
please
yes,
support
yes.
us. Always
Right now
support
we
us.
are,
Thank
we
you.
have right now we need to go education.
if
School we have.
wait.
Online
If-
classes, so we can't do streams right now. But in our
Yeah.
first summer holidays, we are going to do it.
Yes.
If we get 2 million views in this video, we'll do live stream. Which is impossible.
That'll never happen.
Yeah, that's it. I'm telling you that
Guys,
that's good.
in this video 200 views. In
So,
this video
2 million.
Yeah, 200,
So,
200. That's
2
decent.
million.
That's decent.
200.
Okay. If the moment we post all the waters, then that's all we have to live stream at that moment.
Okay. Alright guys, so now
I
this
hope
is
so.
our
We have
first
more
match.
subscribers, happiness.
Yeah. This is our first match and let us see how does this match goes.
Don't
many
start right now, please.
Yeah, sure, I'm ready.
Yeah, be just ready. Don't by mistake also click.
I'm not holding my mouse at all.
Oh wow.
Oh, you're using mouse. Good.
Yeah, because I'm in the PC, right?
Oh, you
Oh.
use touchpad?
No, I use mouse. Not touch. Oh no.
Oh no.
Yeah, join
Unfortunately,
and he left. Okay, no problem.
But I told Ono because there was no 15 people.
Yeah.
Okay, so
oh
I'm the
no.
crewmate.
Ooh, not the not the imposter.
Oh, okay. So I'm gonna do the card swipe.
Ah.
White,
okay.
clear yourself. Okay, white is clear. Even I am clear. Even I did medbay scan in front of white.
Then
Bro, you're lying. Wait, let me come and see.
see what? Where? Wait. Who?
I was with you whole time.
me. Where? What with me?
I
just
mean,
met you
I
in
from
class.
medbay
Everybody
came.
stop. Now listen to me. What does Velcity? Who do you sus?
I says Falcon. Okay,
Falcon, who do you sus?
He says
I said Spell City.
I know.
And you know who I sus?
Say.
Nobody. So I'm keep voting.
Okay, go better.
Oh my god.
Wait,
No,
I
there is
Hey,
know.
what? Pilful did weapons also. It's
No, it's
100% grey now.
I voted Proud Plant.
Proud plant, 100%.
Who
Vote out that boy.
did?
Vote out.
So wait a minute, I just have a work, so I'll mute. So guys, as you can see, I'm the imposter. Okay, maybe you cannot hear. I'm the imposter. Why are you laughing? Yes.
We both heard you properly.
Oh my god, I did not unmute. Same mistake. It is called unmuting hotkeys.
I knew it.
Okay,
You were the. Okay, leave it.
Okay,
Okay,
can I
okay,
help?
okay.
Can I have help now?
No,
You won't do anything.
you said enemies.
But
You
only
said
in, but only in one. What do you call it?
Yeah, I
Only one
never said
condition.
the whole time.
Only one condition. If you went in front of us, we are going to call a meeting. If you
Okay,
kill someone in front of us, we are going to call a meeting.
Yeah, that's all.
Yeah.
Fine.
So you better be away from us.
Oh my
It's
god.
bro, it's
Red.
white.
Red.
Red.
It's
Yeah, it's red. It's a self-report.
I know 100%. It's okay.
Because
now,
you're the imposter, you know.
Now, Flash, I need your help. 100% help. I mean, Leos.
Yeah, Blast is my other name.
Finish
I
Fiful.
just-
Finish
yeah.
that boy. He killed me.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, wrong name. Be fool. So see, the rule is, Falcon. If you kill someone in front of me, I'm gonna vote you or do a meeting. If you went in front of
For
me,
that, you can't simply follow me so that I cannot kill you. You can't do
I
that.
won't follow you. I'm gonna simply
Vote.
roam and do my task.
Okay.
Wait. What's Little X doing? Is he mad?
Little X. Lit.
What is it telling?
Lit.
He's saying
Ah, she's
it's
like
me.
sensitive.
Felicity just died.
That's
Actually,
me.
I saw him killing. I saw Philful killing in right front of me.
Yeah, that's great.
Let's go.
I mean, not great. I mean, not great.
For
because
you.
he's a partner.
Yeah.
Bye, Fiful. Fiful.
Let's go.
I'll do all
So
of my
only one
tasks. I
imposter
don't
arrive
want.
and I know who it is.
I
but
don't
can't
want.
eject
I don't
him
want
right
to lose. It will be so
now.
bad.
Same here.
Oh,
Why?
my teammate did O2. My teammate did O2.
I'm
Okay, your
down.
teammate is bad.
I fixed. Down is not fixed.
I'm running.
Bro, go,
Fix.
go.
Done.
Oh, nice, fix. You're here, no, Leos.
Dare you kill
Bye.
me? Dare you kill me?
I'm not killing you. I'm faking tasks.
First time I'm seeing an imposter revealing himself and
I-
now playing
He's
like
like, okay, I will get
Why should I kill you?
muted.
You're my only support.
Huh? Backbone or front bone?
None of the above.
Then what? Head bone.
neck. I'm his neck.
Head
neck.
doesn't have a bone. It's a skull.
But skull has bones, right?
True.
Both are roasting themselves.
Because you're toasted, that's why you're not roasting, right?
No. I'm roasted
Hey.
because it already toasted, no?
Because I was
go. I'm
posted.
going down. I'm going down. Okay. I'm going
Ah,
up.
Then
Right.
good.
Fine, you're going up.
Bro, say your friend to stop.
How can I? I can't
Talk with
have
him in air. Talk with him in air.
How can I? Hi.
Somehow.
Hi, boy.
Talk with him in air. I don't care.
Leos, don't worry. Hi.
Bro, your friend left the game.
I don't care. I can sabotage at least.
Oh, I'm a ghost. I'm running outside. I'm coming back. Come in, come out. Come in, come out. Oh, Pink is watching camps. Rose.
Yeah,
I mean
whatever.
Rose.
I did comms, just informing you in case.
Hey, Leas was there. He completed it.
I
Lol.
did it in literal in 1 second.
Yeah,
Hey,
he's a pro in
Leos
comms. What do
completed.
you want?
Leas, complete your task. We have to win.
Yeah. I'm going to elect.
Yeah.
In this
to
point,
win.
I'm actually letting you people win. Now I should start killing. Hi, Leos. Now, where's Leos?
He'll kill you. No, run. Run
I'm
away.
not killing you. Puppy, you TP'd someone.
Run.
Hi. I'm not
Run.
killing you. Why are you so
Just
scared?
run away. I'm watching Ilias.
I have
Run
no tasks
away.
left. I have no tasks left.
Done. We need this submachine Rose to start. Okay.
I literally finished all my tasks. I guess you didn't finish.
Oh
Check
no.
yourself.
I finished all of my tasks. Hey, no. You have to not lose. Hello. Okay.
Yeah?
No. He's going to kill. No. Yes.
I'm going to blame him. 200 IQ.
Yes. We have to vote the person we.
So shall I tell it's Falcon?
Yes.
Why?
We
Then
need.
you promised me. If you see me only, you're going to say me, right?
See, but they are saying we can't do anything. They
You
are saying.
just promised me.
I did not promise. I'm already ready.
I'm not talking to you. Leos
Ghost
told it.
not promise.
I'm not arguing with you people, but I'm a person who does not break any promises. So sorry.
Yes. You also.
I'm voting Kamrock
Of course.
because Falcon is my best friend. And
I'm not your best friend. I'm not your best friend.
You're just new in this video, right? So get around.
You just now came.
Exactly.
I don't want to truth. I don't want to reveal the truth, so I'm quiet.
Be quiet. You don't need to talk much.
Yes.
You have to talk much. For
Finish one. Finish one. Do one sabotage and
I guess
finish
you
the
need to
game.
kill me. Otherwise you
No, I
won't win.
won't. Why would I?
You have to
Bro,
come.
Lixtel will
You
your
have no
meeting.
other option. Come. Before she
Okay,
does a
you
meeting. Kill in front of her. Best friend killing best friend.
Wait,
Come.
wait.
I'm crying.
Tan, tan.
He's like,
Bye.
no.
You could have just called a meeting and eject me when I was venting. But I gave you a chance right there.
Best friend killed his
Best
own
friend.
best friend.
Best friend.
Okay guys,
best
enough of this. So
friend.
now let us wait for some more people to join. And then let us play our next match. So let us go.
Proud plant. See Proud Plant's message.
2,000 years later.
Okay guys, 14 people. And
Yes.
now...
One more.
Yay, start.
No, we wait for one more. Last time we played only with 14.
Is that the
12
routine in
people
the
telling
server?
my name.
Lias
People
Baba.
leave. Okay,
Your new
14
name.
people. And
Yes.
I'm like SS randomly in the chat. I don't know why.
Sure enough.
Fell
let's
City,
do
what you
it.
are? Crewmate as usual, nothing new.
My
Fell
screen
City?
did not even load even a lot.
Okay, I have
I'm not
weapons.
crewmate.
All come to weapons. I have weapons.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
coming. Because I saw you only.
Come,
So-
come.
Yeah,
Wait.
okay.
Clear?
Long
Balcony
book is
safe.
also there. Long book is also there. Let long book move first. Then
He
you
left.
can do.
He did not.
Wait.
He left.
Wait.
I was with you guys for one time.
It's
He
just.
wa-
No,
I
I think
voted
it's just.
Jared
Okay. Bro, if it's
Yeah,
not
yeah,
him,
yeah.
I
Many
think
people were together. Jaded so far. It's Jaded.
Proud Plant. No, it's Jared so far. It's Jared so far.
Jared was sad.
Like.
We will remove him. Come. He left?
No.
Yeah, I found his name. Sorry.
Black boy.
Let's all go. Jared.
Fell City, can you put I'm clear?
Bro.
Actually, you also have free chat, Falcon. Even you can do it.
I can't just say that I am clear, right? They won't trust me.
Remove Jared so far. I think he's the imposter.
Remove Jared Soko from this world, from this airship.
From a, this is not airship, this is spaceship.
Oh, whatever. I have habit of playing airship.
Okay, fine. But Skilled was the best. But Skilled is your favorite, right?
Yeah, it's short enough to enjoy.
But new submerged map is so good.
Alright, Jared Sofa, we are sorry, but you have to go.
If he's the imposter or not, we don't know that.
Come on.
Imposter.
Huh? Okay, come to weapons if you want to clear me 100%. Yeah, only one asteroid. More 19 asteroids I did off.
Adam,
Completed
you're
the
clear.
task.
Yeah, I saw. He's clear.
I have to go to Medbay.
Maroon suspicious. He's trying to fake download, I guess. Oh my god, it's white.
Why?
He killed in front of me, noob.
So
What's
what's
his name?
name?
What's
Lixtel.
Lix? What? I did not have time for.
Litskill.
Yeah, like Lix. I can't also spell it. Just leave.
Litskill.
Yeah, what out Lixtel?
Yeah, it is Litskill. Okay, let's stop chatting because now I just all saw the. What a damn
Yeah,
facility. 1
Same
lakh
out.
percent.
1 lakh? Is it 1 lakh for you really?
No, I can't see that because it's like stars. And
Yeah,
I don't know.
starred. If you
Twinkle,
use a lot
twinkle,
of
little
numbers or
star.
bad words, no, it'll be showing stars.
Lixtel is only like who I am, where I am.
Did I vote? Yes, I did.
Only the stupid jumpy shape pink crowd and look. Yes.
Litskill. Sorry about that.
Hey, we three only voted him.
Yeah, whatever.
Hey, you know imposters?
Wait.
So guys, this is gonna be our last match for the
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's
Last
see how well
match.
this goes.
Last match, I'll wear my lucky color. I should become the crewmate. I do the sabotage fixing.
Felicity, you became yellow.
And
I'm black.
Sabotage fixer.
Black.
See, Jaded so far, wearing an antenna.
Guys,
Oh.
why are you talking nonsense?
That's my luck. That's my luck. That's my luck.
This is my luck, go. I'll be the imposter, you both go away. Go, shoo.
I'm just going to round around
I
Jaded
would
Sofa
beat you
randomly.
both. Really.
Jaded Sofa is
You
like,
both. You both.
Just
You both.
because
If I
of-
have visual tasks, come with me.
Just
Bro,
because
keep
of
visual
lockdown,
task.
I can't come to your house.
start.
Just
You're
because
not?
of lockdown, I can't come to your house to beat you up.
Oh, you wanted to beat her.
Yes, actually.
Wow. Why do you
Wow.
want to beat me? You're so offensive.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, crewmate.
No, happy birthday. Among
Happy
Us.
birthday, crewmate. I'm anti.
Among Us.
Brother, the video is
Okay.
becoming too much funny.
And guys,
Yes, you are the imposter. We got to know. Come to Midway.
what? I'm
to touch me.
imposter.
Come to Midway. Please, anybody?
I'm
Okay.
Yeah, I'm
coming.
coming on the way. In cafeteria. In caf. Medbay.
Come, sir. Come, sir. Just take me.
Felicity clear.
Felicity clear.
Come to reactor to clear. Wait. Oxygen.
I'm going up.
Okay.
You got me
I'm
that
going
Who's
down.
going up? I'm down. Body.
Perfect
I just
timing.
entered admin and body was
Who
called.
was it?
I don't know.
I think it's
See,
Jaded Sofa.
Jaded Sofa's clear because he was behind me and
Yeah.
he did not have that much time to come in front of you. For this
Actually, I
kill,
don't
Jaded
know.
Sofa's clear.
Hey,
Location
say
was.
I am good. I didn't make this can say.
Yeah.
So whom do we vote?
I'm thinking it might be rightness.
Well, I'm going to vote rightness. I'm not going to
Jaded
vote
Sofa can stick with me.
Today tell us long book. So let's vote long book. Come. I did long
Long.
book.
Where's long? Okay, long book. Actually, Among Us should keep names of their own because we have
Yeah.
to sign in. At least don't need even free chat. Just
Yeah,
at least the
actually.
name, at least that.
And I hope so Among Us even.
I told
signed
Jaded
in
Sofa to
for-
stay with me. I didn't have time to put Jaded, so I just put Sofa stay with me.
Okay, long book got voted out.
Hope so.
Sorry,
He come.
long book.
Who is not the imposter, I think.
Was not an imposter.
I knew it. You both won't even like.
Okay.
Hey,
Jaded
none of
Sofa,
my
please
mistake.
come if you will. Oh
See,
wow.
guys,
Please
guys.
come.
Come here. Someone come here. Someone come here.
Where?
Okay. Come
Here,
follow
here.
me.
Come to storage.
Where?
Storage trash. The bottom trash. Yeah,
Yeah,
come here.
sure. Hey,
Oi.
wait. Oxygen.
I'm going
going
up.
up.
I'm going
I'm
up.
going
Go up.
Okay, the control.
Hey,
should be-
orange is faking task.
Don't right now go.
No, bro.
Go.
He's clear.
Come here.
Orange is clear.
Come here. You just me means come here if you want to. Both of you come here.
Okay, you can go there because I have. Oh my god, I was with Jaded Sofa. If Jaded Sofa blame me, it's 100%.
Because
Yeah, because I was with him the whole time. How can he blame me?
I said glad step.
Let's not just vote.
Jaded Sofa is acting kind of good. I think he heard the words from somewhere else.
Ian is.
I
good.
think it's Jaded Sofa, bro, for me. You will not
Yeah.
even listen.
He was with me for 2 kills.
Oh.
I cleared him.
No, actually,
it's
I'm voting
okay.
Jaded Sofa. I saw him. Whoever
Fine,
is
okay.
I'll say why. See, every time you are behind them, only the body is reported. You understood?
No. He was with me only the whole time. He not behind me. He went forward than me. Actually, I was checking him.
Can it might
I
be
don't
like
know. I'm
this?
just skipping. I don't know why you're voting Jaded Sofa.
See, you only got 2 words.
I said glad step. Not
Jaded
first.
Sofa left the game also. Now what do you want?
Wait, let's see how many imposters left.
2 imposters. Now what do you want?
Nothing.
Okay, wait.
Okay.
Someone be alibi of Pink because he's sus.
Bro, I'm near
Okay,
the
fine.
Come
I'm
and do your
following him.
task.
I'm following him.
Bro,
Oxygen.
I'm going down.
I'm up.
One done. Me
Yeah,
rushing to down.
fix. Down. I'm going down.
Wait,
Run
why
all
did glad
the
step go that way? It is glad step.
How?
She went wrong way instead of coming to fix the sabotage. So it might be her. So I'm
So
gonna
I'm
put this glad step.
I'm putting in chat.
Same here. And also people vote her or him.
Okay. If it's not Gladstep, it's Oski and some of them.
see my
Vent
girls.
I'm clear.
Glad step how to vent like you.
Don't tease. You're teasing them, right?
Don't do that. Then they'll think you're impo.
I don't care. I'll help you both. Yeah. Orange good.
Oh.
Stenville is Gladstep's teammate or what? He left.
Serious? I
Was
told
an
you, right?
imposter.
He didn't go and fix the...
Zero impos, we won.
So guys, that is it for today's video. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe the channel and like this video. And if you want us to play some new games, you can tell us in the comment section.
Yeah, we'll try
Yeah.
doing it. We can't, like, if you put 100 games, we cannot download 100 games and show you.
And guys, please don't
Yeah.
tell us to download GTA 5.
Yeah, all
GTA Vice
8
City.
games we can't. We
Yeah,
are
we
kids,
can't.
right? We can't. Even our parents have some rules.
Yeah.
You understand, right?
So okay, now guys, we need to end the video. So meet you in the next video. Until that, bye bye friends and bye bye.
Bye.
Dab it,
friends.
boy. Dab it, dab it, dab it.